This is a simple and fast review of the Trakiom high back portable camping chair. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying. Alright, so the first thing I want to show when you get it out of the bag, out of its packaging, there's a couple ways to carry this, different handholds. Also note that you can connect a number of things here, which is really nice, but different ways to carry it. Plenty of flexibility there, which is great. The more important conversation comes into how quickly can I put this back together and stack it and unwrap it and all that stuff, because frankly most chairs are kind of just pop them open and sit them down. This one's going to have a lot more to it, so let's kind of walk through it. First thing you get out is your head pillow with Velcro. You're going to have your assembly kit, instruction manual. And then this comes relatively rolled up nicely. So you'll have your own carry bag, and then inside this thing is going to be kind of your pieces, your main chair, which of course comes with the ability to kind of put this on it. My dog's saying hello. We're going to just put this on as a first measure. With this, it's a matter of just popping pieces into place. Be aware that it is going to be Velcroed. I would suggest that you try and find a way to keep this Velcro close or on if it comes off. These things do make it a little bit more easy. It's kind of just popping right into place on its own, which is nice, because you don't want this to be complicated, right? So, first part is done. Velcro is actually a bit backwards on this one, so it might be a little bit difficult to undo. Not sure why this is as complicated as it is. There we go. A little more difficult than I would hope. Everything again pops back in. Easy. Now this one we're going to pop in. So I'm going to bring this up so you can kind of see it. You do have a pop right there. Button. So I don't know why there's a secondary button. I guess it's really simple. They work on the same thing. So that's going to work both buttons. And we're just going to just align that. And then pop it in. As noted, the Velcro is going to stay there, so you may want to kind of adjust it if needed. But now we'll kind of talk about putting this together. It will have kind of little spaces for assembly where it should go. Remember, this is going to be my top here, which is going to also have some little spaces for assembly. So I'm going to do those first. Those are longer ones. So let me just move it visually so you can see. Key becomes getting this thing in. Not exactly easy to pop in. Feels like it's going to move, and it is moving. I'm not sure why that is going on. So I'm not loving this right now, I'll be honest with you. Assembly should be pretty easy. It seems like it's just not going in the way it should once I have those on. So as you can probably see, I'm not just a dum-dum. It's not lining up angle-wise the way it should with these on. And maybe I should be reading my instructions, but we're going to go ahead and try this without it first, because it should just fit. I'm not sure why it's not. Well, we're going to read the instructions and see if it's telling me something that I'm not paying attention to. Alright, so I read the instructions and I'm doing it as told, so just going to put these back in here first, and I'm just going to try and bend, because that's kind of have to be the way it works. Where we bend it in, I don't love that, but I guess that's the way it works. It does kind of fit. Once you do that, there will be kind of a slightly weird feel here. I'm not sure why that's got that extra stuff up here. There's kind of a way to stick your finger in. I'm not sure what's going on there, but I do like that this is adjustable. And now we're just going to find it. Again, trying to pull this to get it connected into each corner. Hopefully you saw that. The hard one's obviously going to be the last one. Where we pull. Trying to get this. Would be easier if there was kind of a pull tab. There's not, and so it's a struggle to get it to fit over this, but it does get there. Got a handy dandy cup holder on the side. It's actually pretty comfortable, really comfortable. I'm not sure what the holes in the chair are. I got a nice little phone holder over here, cup holder over here. Plenty of sponge to this, which is nice. I'm not sure why. I guess it's the way the canvas is built. Why there's holes there. If you had a wider frame, that might become an annoyance, because it's going to leave some marks on your butt. But overall, pretty spongy, which is good. Feels good overall. I wish this, where it needs to be for my neck, had more of a space here, but it doesn't. It's kind of got to go up to its highest point underneath this little part. And again, I'm not sure why this is the way it is. I'm going to show you up here. Again, you have kind of a hole, some extra fabric. I guess you're protecting your head, but not everybody's going to necessarily be at that spot. Again, it fits really, really nicely. I'm 6'1", so it's a good fit. I am 170 pounds, 165. My butt, I don't know if you can see this, probably can't, but I literally feel my butt sticking out of these holes, and I don't love that. But it's a good, solid chair. So now let's take it apart. That's the easy part, right? So dismantle and pack up. That's what we want to be simple. Seems to be pretty easy so far. We're gonna just roll this all up into itself. as we break it down. Be sure to you unclick here and pull apart. Even more of them. Alright, so with that all done, we're just going to roll it up. Hopefully it goes right into the bag pretty easily. Not too bad. Not as clean as kind of the way it came, but I'm an idiot when it comes to rolling this stuff up, so all set, it's doing its job nicely. And there you go. So not a bad solution here. Hopefully this review helped you decide whether or not it's worth buying or not. Again, a lot of ways to kind of hook this onto your backpack or something like that, or simply just carry or keep in a car or whatever. So hopefully this review helped. Thanks for watching.